Discover Asafa Powell, Jamaica's sprint legend shares 2025 life updates. Sprint icon Asafa Powell is a name synonymous with speed, resilience, and Jamaican pride. Subscribe to our channel now to dive into the latest updates on this track legend, from his recent family milestones to his candid thoughts on Jamaica's athletic system. Don't miss exclusive insights into the life of the Sub-10 King. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Asafa Powell, born November 23, 1982, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, is a retired sprinter renowned for his dominance in the 100 meters. Holding the world record twice, 9.77 and 9.74 seconds between 2005 and 2008, Powell's personal best of 9.72 seconds ranks him fourth on the all-time list. His unparalleled record of 97 sub-10 second 100 m races cements his legacy as the Sub-10 King. A 2016 Olympic gold medalist in the 4x100 meter relay, Powell also earned world championship medals, including bronzes in the 100 m, 2007, 2009, and silvers in the relay. Despite Olympic individual finishes of 5th, 2004, 2008, and 8th, 2012 due to injury, his contributions to Jamaica's sprinting dominance are undeniable. en.wikipedia.org mybestruns.com. In 2025, Powell's life off the track has taken center stage. In March, he and his wife, Alicia, announced they're expecting their third child together, shared via their YouTube channel, The Powells. Alicia, 7 weeks pregnant at the time, joined Powell in expressing excitement and humor about preparing for sleepless nights. This will be Powell's 5th child, including 2 from previous relationships. The couple, who met when Powell slid into her DMs on Instagram during the 2015 World Championships, continues to charm fans with their family updates. JamaicaObserver.com. Powell sparked conversation in April 2025 with candid remarks about Jamaica's athletic support system. Frustrated by inadequate infrastructure, he stated his children might not run for Jamaica, citing his wife's Canadian and Ghanaian heritage as options. Reflecting on a 2006 offer of millions to compete for another country, which he declined out of loyalty, Powell voiced regret, highlighting systemic issues echoed by athletes like Merlene, Ottey, and Yohan. His comments, deemed unpatriotic by some, reignited debates about athlete welfare and Jamaica's failure to treat sports as an economic engine. JamaicaObserver.com. Despite retiring in 2021, Powell remains a revered figure. In 2023, Ghana's Olympic Committee invited him for a 10-day visit, celebrating his legacy with a King's Welcome. On his YouTube channel, he shares reflections, like his 2007 Rieti race, 9.74 seconds, where he believes he could have run faster had he not slowed down. Powell's humility, seen in his community engagement and family life, continues to endear him to fans. Olympics.mybestruns.com. Watch this video to explore Asafa Powell's 2025 updates, from family joys to his bold stance on athlete support. Like, comment, and share your thoughts. What's your favorite Powell moment? Subscribe for more stories on Jamaica's sprint legends.